What's up, what's up? Day 2 on Ronnie the Roller. Let's take this faded old girl and make her a showpiece. Showpiece. My ass, boy. Okay, this is the time that we getting sorted for a bit of a polish party. And as you can see, oof, she grimy. See what we can do. There you go, that's a bit of before and after. Do you think I'll have to do the rest now? Yes, because you've just started your Muppet. It matches the brand new door now, doesn't it? Okay, so I thought I'd show you what I've done. I've hit this side with the cutters and that side just for the polish. So you can clearly see that that's shiny, but it's dull. Whereas this, we brought it right up really bright. Ideally you want to wash the car and then hit this with the wet look polish that I used on that side. I was trying to be lazy and take a shortcut. That would have worked, but that looks heaps better. So I'm going to do that side again and move on to the rest of the car. It's going to be a bloody long day, I think. Update, bonnet, guards, doors and boot and C-pillar all done. And not done. And I'm running out of puff. The CBFs are kicking in, but what's the difference? Actually, I can see the clouds. Clouds there. Yeah, right. Oh, yeah, no. Alright, continuing on. Let's do this. Let us know in the comments if you think I'm doing this the wrong way or the right way, or got any tips, because I'm just a backyard polisher. Okay, it's 11:45. This car is fully polished. Well, it's fully cut, so I've got to wash it and then put a hand polish on it so it seals it. Come up pretty good. Well, we'll give it a wash. Car is fully polished and just gave it a good wash, so I can't be bothered hand polishing it, so I'm going to go to do it Bowden's fully slick. You spray it on with a microfiber cloth, let it sit for a minute and gurney it off, and then it leaves a protection on the paint, because I can't be bothered polishing the whole thing again. But it's got a bit of gleam on there now. What do you reckon? Just see me spray it and wipe it on. Now you can see the effects when I gurney it. Starts to bead off. You see on the other side where I haven't done it, it doesn't bead off. Bloody beautiful. Amazing, eh? It's all about the bead porn. And that's how you polish a car, ladies and gentlemen. We've had this car less than 24 hours. What did you just say when you walked out to the door?
It's clean.
You said, Jesus. Looks a bit different. Do you know what I've been doing the last 3 hours?
Polishing,
Yes.
washing,
Yes.
and scrubbing.
Scrubbing. Do you think it looks good now?
Yes.
Did you like it yesterday?
Yes.
Do you love it now?
Yes.
Even better? You reckon Mum might like it now?
No.
No. Not bad, is it? Right, get the vacuum. Start vacuuming the inside out.
No.
Okay, so car's polished, and to make it look cooler, I'm going to give it a vacuum, and I've already pissed off one of these dirty, bloody, disgusting seat covers, and pretty happy. No cigarette holes or anything. It's going to tidy her up even better.
Now is my time to shine. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters overnight, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of the wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't
What a busy day giving Ronnie a polish. It has come up absolutely mint. Can't thank anyone but myself. So you're welcome, Mac. Thanks for coming. This old beast will be up for sale. So let us know in the comments if you're keen, or contact me on Insta. Get into my DMs and I'll give you the price. All that sort of gear. Come and check it out. You won't.